Hello and welcome to this Shortcuts video. Today we're going to be taking a look at pre-arrival email forms. Businesses can now email client information forms via the Cloud Appointment Book, which includes a secure link prior to the client's appointment. These forms, when sent, will both reduce delays and contact within the business and support GDPR policies. Pre-arrival email forms utilizes the messages feature within the Cloud Appointment Book. So to get started, simply open up your preferred internet browser and type in the web address pos.shortcutssoftware.com. Site managers may also wish to review the current roles and permissions to see whether they wish to restrict or grant access to allow the configuration of these pre-arrival customer forms. To do so, in the bottom left-hand corner, we're going to click onto Business Settings. We're going to choose Roles and Permissions. To the left, you will see the role types you have available. Click on the relevant role type and click the red word Permissions. We can now scroll all the way down to the bottom, expand marketing, and grant or restrict access to allow the configuration of customer forms here. Click Done in the bottom right-hand corner to save your changes. We are now ready to link the services to the specific forms. To do so, in the bottom left-hand corner, once again click onto Business Settings. We're now going to choose Customer Forms. To the left, you will see any forms available to you. Click on the relevant form. We can activate the form here. We can now take a look at the client type. Will this form be sent to new clients, existing clients, or all clients? We can now take a look at the time frame. Will this form be sent out once and only subsequently filled out the once? Will it be every visit? Or is there going to be a specific time frame? We can choose from days to weeks to months, allowing further flexibility. In this example, I'm going to do all clients every visit. We can now link the services. To do so, we're going to click on the Select Services tab. If you wish all services from a category to be included, place a tick next to the service category. If you wish to only include specific services, you can click the drop-down arrow to the right-hand side and choose a specific service from that category. When you're happy with your changes, simply click Done in the bottom right-hand corner. Click Save to save your changes. You will now see Action is required. This feature requires the appointment acknowledgement email to be enabled. We can now click Messages to the left-hand side. We're going to click onto Appointment Acknowledgement. At the top, we can see the send schedule. This can be sent from minutes to hours to days after an appointment is created or changed. In this example, I'm going to send it 10 minutes after the appointment is created or changed. I'm now going to click onto Email. If you've already activated the appointment acknowledgement, you will first need to deactivate it. The display logo at the top will pull through automatically from Site Settings of your online console. You may wish to include a display image by placing a tick in the box here and clicking Choose File. You can make any relevant changes to the subject and the body of the email here, but we would recommend not making any changes to the Forms box just here. This is because it is default to allow the links to form to already be included within the email. You may also wish to preview or send a test. When you're happy, click Activate in the bottom right-hand corner. Click Done to save your changes. Once an appointment has been made, and based on your send schedule time frame, the email or email forms will be sent to the customer. This is an example of an email form, and we can see it includes a link to the form or forms like this. The customer can simply click on the link and fill out the form securely. When a form has been sent, the appointment will go into the yellow review mode, just like this here. We can then view the touch tip by placing our mouse and tapping onto the appointment or touching it using our touchscreen monitor. We can see the form or forms that have been sent. Now, any forms that have been filled out by the customer will have a green tick next to it like this here. Any forms that have not been filled out by the customer will have a red cross like this here. If we wish to resend a form, we can click the three dots in the bottom right hand corner and click Resend Forms. This will only resend a form that has not been filled out. If we wish to view a form that has been filled out, we can click on the form and it will take us to that form like this here, and we can see any relevant information. As well as this, we can see any previously filled out forms by clicking the customer's icon towards the left hand side, searching for a customer, and towards the bottom left hand corner, clicking the forms icon. And that is our pre-arrival email forms. Give it a try, and thank you ever so much for watching.